Hi, in this tutorial we will see how to make a screen split. Here we have option split screen. Click on it. We can see many options are there. We can split a screen in two parts in this fashion or this fashion, this vertically, horizontally or inclined. And split, three split this way or four split. So for that what we have to do, we have to just double click on it. We are here, we have to place it on the timeline, right? Click on it, then click on number 1. Now we have to select, you can see this screen is selected or section 1 is selected, right? Then we have to drag and drop this image, or let's say this is video. Okay, now you can see this screen is not, or this picture is not displayed completely. So from here we can zoom in, zoom out, right? The same thing we can here select this and reduce the size. This way we can make the split screen. Now let's play. So you can say this is working and this is image. Okay, or we can take any other split screen. Let's take this example. I have to remove this. I drag this here. Now we have three parts. We have divided or splitted this screen in three parts. I have selected the first one, drag and drop, and here let's say drag and drop, and this time I will take this one, drag and drop. Okay, so this time this picture is visible, or we can set zoom from here as well. Otherwise we have this option, we can shift this location or position this image, right? Similarly this one and this. Cancel, full screen preview, play. Now we can see the transition as well. Applying again. So this is by default transitions. So this way we can split the screen. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you very much.